Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Man, I have had some amazing things happen since our last video. I attended a Tesla meetup from Tesla Club SoCal. I'll post it somewhere on here on my boy Tezzy Vibes page. Talk about an amazing experience seeing so many other customizable Teslas. And I also scored an OEM Carbon Fiber spoiler off of someone here locally in LA, and we're gonna put that bad boy on, so let's get to it. So first up, everything I did for this job is plastic scraper tool from Amazon, some new 3M tape, this decal remover, and a drill, which also came in handy. As you can see, the old adhesive is on here, so that's going to be kind of tough getting off. And once you get to this end over here, it's in pretty bad shape. So we're going to go ahead and get started on that with the scraper tool and then go from there. So I've gotten a little bit of it off. The scraper tool really comes in handy. We're just gonna go ahead and get the rest of it off. A little patience is all it takes. Here we go. All of it is finally off after some elbow grease. Now to use this decal remover. I was able to basically get all of the old adhesive off, just learning the angles of the decal remover. And there we go, all nice and clean, ready for some 3M tape. This is my attempt at cutting out the 3M tape on my own. Well, everybody, I cheated. I was gonna try to put the spoiler on with some adhesive tape, 3M that I cut out by myself, but I couldn't get the corners. And I hear the corners is the most tricky part to get to stick to the Teslas. People have complained that that's the part that always pulls up first, so I ordered some pre-cut for the OEM spoiler 3M tape. You see the corners right there, and I got 2 adhesive promoter packets, so that makes 3. So yeah, I just want this thing on as best as possible, and I didn't want to not do a great job and it come up and it's gonna ruin my wrap if it pulls up with this adhesive promoter, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna put this on. I've already removed the other 3M tape that I applied. Let's put this dang thing on. So first things first, I cleaned off where the spoiler is going to go with some isopropyl alcohol. Then I used some painter's tape to help hold the spoiler there while I make sure it is perfectly aligned where I wanted it to be. Once that was set and I looked around and made sure it was great on all sides, I applied some painter's tape on the edges. And then go ahead and put on the adhesive promoter and the spoiler. And this is what it looks like from the bottom, which is pretty great. I held down most of the, basically all around the edge for like 30 seconds. So I just split that up and made sure it was just really on there. This thing looks badass. Not a bad find. Look at that. Definitely adds to the rear of the car. I freaking love it. Thank you guys for tuning in, man. Like always, hit the subscribe, like button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Be blessed.